Hello guys and welcome to my channel Wanderlust. Today I am going to unbox Tapo C210. So this one is my third product of Tapo C210. Two I already configured and the third one I am going to configure it. Okay, so I can tell you the high level of what are the features of this security camera. So if you see it has motion detection and notification, which I used is really working well. It will detect the motion and it will send you the notification on your mobile via push notification. It has night vision up to 30 feet, so we are able to see the 30 feet of distance up. We can see anything up to 30 feet in the night also. And it has very high quality of camera, which is 3 megapixel camera, and it supports almost 256 GB of micro card SD slot. So the previous version which Tapo released is Tapo C200, which won't support 3 megapixels high definition camera. It has only 1080p, and the micro SD card slot is also 128 GB supported. I didn't put any 256 GB micro card SD in my any of the camera. I just put 128 GB, and it gives me almost 15 days of 15 to 20 days of data almost to save in the micro card SD. But what I doing in the night 11 o'clock, I am switching off the camera. I am not recording anything. I just make a schedule only morning 7 o'clock to night 11 o'clock it will record the video. Rest of time it won't record the video. So I am getting almost 20 days of data. That is quite good enough. Okay guys, let's quickly unbox this one. So okay, let me open the box. Oh yes, this way and like this. Okay, so inside the box, this is like general information. This one is your instruction, like how to put on wall, everything. This one is for helpful to put on wall. Okay, so this is not required. Okay, so this one is your power adapter, and then this one is for wall mounting. Okay, and this one is your little camera. So let's quickly take it out. Okay, so this one is like very small, if you see. Okay, here is the memory card slot, so it won't be visible to anyone. Okay, and let's quickly power it on and then we'll see the feature. Okay guys, I'm going to power it on. So let's put this power. It is a power adapter, so I just put it on. So now the camera is going to rotate in 360-degree vertically and horizontally. Okay, so let it be rotate and get ready. Meanwhile, let me open my Tapo app for the configuration. So if you see my mobile, let me make it closer so you guys can easily see. So this is my mobile. Here is the Tapo app. So this Tapo app, you can find it on a Play Store and App Store. So you have to open this Tapo app to configure this Tapo C210. So I already installed, and as I told you, I have already two camera. So if you see, there is two camera already there in my Tapo app. This one is the bedroom, this one is living room. Okay, I told you like it will send you the push notification related to motion. So if you see, I have the push notification related to motion. Like this time it detected push motion and then send it to the mobile. Okay, so now it rotated in both direction. So without wasting time, let's configure this one into my Tapo app. For that, you don't have to do anything. Here is the plus button, so you have to just click on this plus button, and here you have to find your device. So there are a lot of device. So bulbs, plugs as well as like camera. So this one, our model is Tapo C210. So we'll select C210. If you see, my camera is blinking in red and green color because it's not set up. Okay, if you see here also in the application, it is also blinking in red and green color. Okay, so we have to click next. Okay, and then it will, Tapo is looking for your Tapo device. So this application is looking for your device. Now it found it, and it will show you the password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you are configuring the first time, then it will tell you to connect with your Wi-Fi, but I already configured the 2 device, so it won't ask me for the again password. Okay, so just click on next. Okay, it's showing me the password. So anyway, I'm going to blur this password, Wi-Fi name and password in my video. So click on next. So connecting to your network. So this one is trying to connect with your Wi-Fi router. Okay, once it connected, it will give you Wi-Fi. See, it's given one sound from the camera connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, it's giving message Wi-Fi connected. So I'm already connected. Pairing your Tapo device. So it's pairing your Tapo device. Okay, it's telling me to put the name. Let's put this one as a master bedroom. Master bedroom. Okay, then click on next. Okay, it will tell you to select where you want to put this camera. So bedroom I already selected. So just give any name, just give like a study. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now click on next. Okay, so this one is completed. So once you click on this, sounds good. It asking for the memory card. I can install it later. Okay, so if you see here, long press the device to sort remove. Okay, that is fine. So if you see here, it is came as a master bedroom, and it is showing a like it's a new device, added in a new device. Okay, so this one is a very quick setup. So let me show you some kind of a small demo to just rotate the device and access the Wi-Fi, access the camera and all. Okay guys, now I'm going to give you a quick demo of this Tapo C210 which we recently configured for in my master bedroom. So let's click on this master bedroom. So there are a lot of options. If you see here in the down, like we have talk, pan and tilt, voice, privacy mode, alarm off, and playback and memory. So there are a lot of options. I'm not going to show all the options. I'm just going to show you like this camera movement in some of the direction. So if you see, I just kept my camera on to the top of my window, so I can at least show you the outside view of this camera. So let's rotate this one, make it like this. So if you see, it is showing my bedroom. So let's just increase the brightness. Okay, so now you're able to see the correctly. Now let's move this camera into some different direction. So if I see, I'm moving this camera. Okay, see, it's moving, and it's showing you the this one is East Coast Park in Singapore. So if you see, this one is East Coast Park. Okay, this one is my apartment, condo. So this one is telling like it rests to the maximum position. So it will go to the left and right to the not fully 360 degree. So there is another option like horizontal cruise and vertical cruise. If you click this one, it will start moving automatically, and where you want to stop, you can stop it. So no need to click again and again here in this option. So if you see, it is start moving, and it will rotate almost close to 160 degree, and then it will stop. Yes, like this one is the maximum position. Okay, so I will show you the vertical cruise also. So let's just stop it here. Okay, click on this vertical cruise. It will show top and bottom. Okay, there is another good feature of this camera, so I will come up with all those good features like mark positions, and in the setting we have like related to detection and then video quality, and also I will come up with a new video with which I can show all the features of this camera. So thank you for watching my video. I will come up with all the features of this camera in the another video. Thanks a lot.